In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Salesforce. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce user or just getting started, knowing how to zoom in can make navigating through different sections much easier, especially if you're working with detailed data or graphs. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to log in to your Salesforce account. Once you've done that, you'll find yourself on the dashboard or homepage, ready to delve into all that Salesforce has to offer. Now, on to the main part, zooming in. This is a straightforward process, and it begins with your keyboard. For those using a PC, you'll want to press down the Control key, often labeled simply as Control. While holding that key down, tap the plus key. What this combination does is zoom in on your current page, making everything appear larger and more legible. This can be particularly useful when you're dealing with a lot of text or need to scrutinize more intricate figures and details. Mac users, fear not. You can achieve the same result by using the Command key, which is known as CMD, along with the plus key. It's as if you have your own personal magnifying glass, bringing the page to life right before your eyes. And if necessary, you can zoom in even further. Simply repeat the action, pressing CMD and plus, or Ctrl and plus, a few more times until your content is just the size you need. Of course, you might occasionally find yourself zoomed in a bit more than anticipated. If that's the case, there's no need to panic. You can simply zoom out by pressing Ctrl and minus on a PC or CMD and minus on a Mac. This allows you to decrease the zoom level until you're back to a normal view, or at least to a size that suits your current needs. Adjusting the zoom level is a small trick, but it can greatly enhance your Salesforce experience. Having the flexibility to control your view means you can seamlessly switch between analyzing reports, checking data entries, or editing documents, all while ensuring your comfort and preventing eye strain. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to tailor your Salesforce interface to better suit your requirements. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now equipped to navigate Salesforce with newfound ease and confidence. Until our next video, take care and happy zooming.